What are you doing?
I can't believe how much stronger I am. Who do I know who has
Oh
an
my God.
army of flying attack bots?
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, another day, another banger. Guys, on tonight's video we have a really insane video, alright guys? I know you guys are going to love it and I'm going to love it as well, alright guys? It's going to be so insane and creepy. So guys, on tonight's video, we are going to be cutting the Spider-Man doll open at 3 AM in the morning and so on guys, alright? But guys, before that, I finally have the merch available, alright guys? And get yours before it gets sold out. Link is on the description, alright guys? Make sure to get yourself the hottest merch ever before it gets sold out, because they are selling out so fast. So guys, for those who don't know what happens at 3 AM, this is the time where all the evils and spirits come to earth, guys, and it's time to do anything they want. And I decided that, wait, what will happen if I cut open the Spider-Man doll at 3 AM and so on guys, alright? So again, we are just gonna be cutting open the Spider-Man doll with this knife at 3 AM in the morning and so on guys, alright? Right on this table, alright guys? Before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom! Follow me on both of social medias, guys. Right on screen right now. So follow me on there or chance to shout out. Every video, guys, like this. Boom is an Instagram shout out. Boom is a Snapchat shout out. Again, guys, follow me on there or chance to shout out. Every video, guys. And go over right now. Smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. And turn on notifications to be on the notification squad, alright, guys? So now let's go check the Spider-Man. Look at this, guys. I just got the Spider-Man right over here. Let me find him. Yes, the Spider-Man is right over here, alright guys? Let me take him to the location. So this is the Spider-Man I'm gonna cut open, alright guys? I'm just gonna place him like right exactly here. We got tape, we got scissors, and we got the knife, alright guys? The most important part. Yo, this is going to be so insane, alright guys? Look at this. Everything is ready right over here. And we are gonna start cutting the Spider-Man. Before this video starts, you know what time it is? Shooting stars.
Didn't even get to cross.
Alright guys, so now let's stop messing around and look at the time. Look at the time guys, it is exactly 3:15 AM in the morning right now. And I have all the setup ready right over here. And guys, you know what time it is. It's the time to start cutting the Spider-Man. Let's do it. Yeah. Come on, I'm just gonna grab the knife. Yo, this is going to be creepy, alright guys? Oh my god, I'm really scared. Come on. Yo, 3, 2. Yo, what was that? Oh my god. Wait! Where did the Spider-Man go?
Who sent them? Who do I know who has
Oh
an
my God.
army of flying attack bots?
What do you
I
mean?
know I've made some enemies, but this is a bit much.
Yo guys, it's
Trying
actually
to
Spider-Man.
capture me.
Yo, there is no way. How did you escape? Yo, let's go and catch him. Stop it right there, don't move. Don't move. Oh my god. Yo, Spider-Man, stop it. Yo guys, come on, I'm gonna go and grab him, alright? Yo, he actually tries to escape. Come on, I'm gonna grab him. Come on. No. No, stop it. Stop it. No. Come on. Come on, Spider-Man, stop it. Oh my god. Yo. Stop it, what are you doing? Don't move. Don't move. You guys, so insane. It just went from here to here. Oh my god. This is so insane, guys. What should I do? Yo. Come on, I'm gonna try to grab him, alright? Yo, this is insane. Come on. Stop it. Stop moving. No, stop it. No, stop moving. Stop moving. You guys, Spider-Man just went up there and he closed it. Oh my god. Let's go up. There's no way, guys. Spider-Man just went up there. Yo. I hope he doesn't spider with me. Oh my god, look at him, guys. I told you guys. Spider-Man, what are you doing there? Spider-Man, what are you doing there? Oh my god. Yo, what are you doing? No. No. Spider-Man, stop this. Stop this. Yo. He's not moving anymore. Spider-Man. No. Stop this. Stop this. No. Stop this. No. You, I need to tape him. You guys, I closed his hands. Now he cannot move. Come on. Yo, let me close his legs too. Alright. Oh my god. I just taped him up. Everything is ready. Alright, guys? Let's. Wait, who is this? Hello? Wait, who is this calling me now? Hello? Should I just hang up? I don't know. I'm just gonna hang up. Phew, this is so creepy, guys. Oh my god. Come on, guys, let's start cutting the Spider-Man. Yo, what?
You're really doing this?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
What are you
I
doing?
can't believe how much stronger I am. This
You're-
is too cool.
You're not even strong.
Oh, could have stopped you.
What?
Could have saved Uncle Ben. Out of my way. Back off, ugly. I'm gonna take you.
What are you talking
You
about?
messed with the wrong guy.
No, I'm sorry.
Talk is cheap. I'm gonna take
Yo,
you down.
wait, what?
You messed with the wrong guy.
I'm sent him. He's not moving anymore. Yes. Alright, I'm in. Come on. Alright. Yes, it's working. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay? Alright. I think it's enough. Let's see what's inside now. Wait, what is this? What? What happened to my hand? What is that? Guys, there's something dark inside it. What is it? Wait, what is this? What is that? Wait, what is this? Let me take it on the light. Wait, what is this? It's glowing. Yo, this is so scary, guys. I don't know what this is. It's actually glowing. It's some kind of potion or something. Yo, so scary, guys. Let's see what else is inside. Yo. Wait, what? Oh my god, why is the Hulk's head inside? Oh my god. These are so scary, guys. I'm really scared. What else? What is that? Oh, it's plastic. It's a plastic ant. I thought it's a spider for a second, but it's a plastic ant. Look at it, guys. It's just a plastic ant. These are the things we found so far. This potion thing, Hulk's head, and an ant. Let's see what else is inside. Yo. Nothing else is inside, guys. This is so scary. Yo, I really don't know what to say, guys. Wait, what? There were these things in Spider-Man, like this potion thing, Hulk's head, and this spider. Let me take it outside so I can show you guys. Look at these things, guys. This thing actually glows. Look, these are the things we found. Oh my god. This is so scary, guys. I really don't know what to do right now. Yo, look at Spider-Man, guys. It's all ripped open. Yo, that's a scary thing. Oh my god. Look at my hand. We just got open Spider-Man. Yo, this is so insane. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video right over here, right guys? So make sure to give the big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on the notification squad, alright guys? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!
You think I'm gone? This easy? Ha 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 ha